Hello children, welcome back to the online classes. Today we will learn articles. Articles a and an. A and an. So warm up and let's start with the articles. Now let's understand how we can identify consonants and vowels. These are two things which help us to identify the articles. We have to use a or an. Let's sort the letters A to Z first. We have to find out which are consonants and which are vowels. Now let's start with the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. What are these? These are vowels and rest are the consonants. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So there are total 26 letters and in which we have 5 vowels and rest are consonants. Now, let's sort the words. Which words? Consonants and vowel. Words starting with consonants are teacher, jumper, laptop, book, yogurt, egg, apple, otter, umbrella, icicle. Now, let's identify with the picture. A teacher. Who is this? Teacher. This is jumper. This is apple, laptop, book, yogurt, egg, otter, umbrella and this icicle. आइसिकल क्या होता है? आपने शिमला में देखा जब बर्फ़ पड़ती है और जब धूप निकलती उसके बाद उसकी जो बर्फ़ की वो पिघलते हुए सीखे सी निकलती है छत में से, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? आइसिकल. एंड दिस इज ऑटर. दिस इज अ न्यू वर्ड. Now more examples for a or an. Now we'll try these sentences. It should start with a or an. Tomorrow I am going to P. P is consonant and it will come here A. Today I am going to a party. Humpty Dumpty was an egg. E. E is vowel. I always have an umbrella in my bag in case it rains. Umbrella U and we have to use U से पहले क्या लगाते? A an. The dog was on a lead. L. L is consonant and we use A here. You can make dash house. H. H क्या है? Consonant and we'll use here A. Let's read this again. You can make a house out of snow, which is called an igloo. Igloo. I. I is vowel and we'll use an before I. There are some exceptions in English while using a or an. We have to go with the sound. For example, it was an honest mistake. It was an honest mistake. Although honest starts with the consonant, the letter H makes the short O sound. So an is used instead of A. So what is used? It is an. What is used here? An. And this is correct. Here are more examples of the vowel sound and consonant sounds. You will listen to the sound and understand the underlying words properly. It took an hour to get to the zoo. I have to wear a uniform to school. Uniform. We flew to a universe far, far away. I would love to ride a unicorn. The king wanted to heir to the throne. It was an honor to meet the queen. Here is an activity for you all for A or an hunt. With a partner, collect 5 objects from the classroom. How many objects you have to collect? You have to collect 5 objects. But this is not your classroom now. So what you will do? You will ask your brother or sister to collect 5 objects. Write a label for each object adding a or an in front of the word. जो भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उसके आगे आप क्या लिखेंगे? ए और एन. रीड देम अलाउड. आपने उसको जोर से पढ़ना है. डज इट साउंड राइट? आपको उसकी साउंड की जो आवाज़ है वो सही से है कि नहीं है. जॉइन अप विद अनदर पेयर एंड पुट योर ऑब्जेक्ट्स इनटू 2 ग्रुप्स. आपने क्या करना है? उन दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है और उनको 2 ग्रुप्स में बांटना है. दोज दैट यूज ए एंड दोज दैट यूज एन. अब उनको किस में बाइफरकेट करना है? एक का एक ग्रुप और दूसरे का एन का. तो इस ढंग से हम क्या करेंगे? एक एक्टिविटी खेलेंगे और इसको एंजॉय करेंगे. नाउ सी अराउंड. व्हाट कैन यू सी? कैन यू सी अ टेबल? अ टेबल. व्हाट यूल राइट? अ टेबल. और आप नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या देख सकते हैं? क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको? और टीवी. अ टीवी. और आजकल क्या है? ठंड है तो आपको अम्ब्रेला नजर आ रहा कहीं? जब बारिश जाते हैं आप बाहर तो अम्ब्रेला होता है पास में. तो क्या लिखते हैं अम्ब्रेला के आगे? एन अम्ब्रेला. सो like this you will collect objects and add a or an to that word. Now we have one more article. The is a definite article. The क्या है? Definite article है. What is different about these examples? अब हम examples देखेंगे और समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. What is the difference between these examples? The book, the enormous elephant, the ice cream. अब क्या है? We use the definite article to show people what we are talking about specifically. अब हम जब हम लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं हम किसके बारे में स्पेसिफिक कर रहे हैं कि हम किसके बारे में, जिसके बारे में हम पहले जानते हैं. अब बुक है, अब हम स्पेसिफाई किए हम कौन सी बुक की बात करें. जो तस्वीर में हमें दिखा रहे हैं हम उस बुक की बात करें. हम किस आइसक्रीम की बात करें जो हमें पिक में नज़र आ रही, जो हमें पिक्चर में नज़र आ रही है. हम कौन सा एलिफेंट की बात करें जो हमें स्पेसिफिकली दिखाया गया है पिक्चर में. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एलिफेंट. ये डेफिनेट है कि हम इसके बारे में बात करें. दैट इज द. Now we have got more examples to understand the definite article the. See how adding the changes these examples. अब the लगाने से कैसे हम उस चीज़ को बदल देते हैं. First of all, it's an orange. What is it? An orange. And we have got the orange. A book. The book. Specific हो गया. A teacher could be any teacher. The teacher, the particular teacher, the specific teacher we are talking about. Here are more examples of a or an. Till now, you must be very clear about your a or an. Which is correct? A ice cream or an ice cream? What is it? An ice cream. Next, which is correct? A caterpillar or an caterpillar? A caterpillar. Is it right? Next, more examples for a or an. There was an enormous elephant at the zoo. There was an enormous elephant at the zoo. Which one is correct? A or an? It's an enormous. Now We have got one more example to test ourselves. The show lasted for an hour. The show lasted for an hour. So we have to listen to the sound very carefully and repeat this again. The show lasted for an hour. And this is correct here. An hour. Do your worksheets well. Have a nice day. Bye.